journey natin dyan sa Qatar. At lagi mo tatandaan, nandito lang kami pamilya para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin, pati ang pamilya mo. Isa kang tao na napakabait, sensitive, pero maunawain. Mahal na mahal ka namin, inuulit-ulit ko dahil ito ay mula sa puso namin. Maraming salamat sa pagtingin mo sa amin kahit hindi na tayo magkasama. Lagi kang mag-iingat at ang wish namin sa'yo ay maging masaya ka lagi kasi maraming nagmamahal sa'yo at mabuti ang kalooban mo. Isa pa, isa kang napakabait, mabait at kaibigan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Stay happy, healthy, and gorgeous. We love you, Mare. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ma'am Beth. Happy 50th birthday! Salamat sa pagsuporta at paggabay mo sa akin dyan, pati na rin sa family ko nang nagyan kami sa Qatar. May God bless your genuine heart with more blessings, more birthdays, and peaceful mind and healthy body. See you soon! Love you, Ma'am Beth!
Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday. Kami na ngayon ang kakanta sa'yo. Kasi si Kuya, ayun. Hindi ko na mapili. Lumaki na kasi yung boses ko. Hindi na kaya abutin ng pitch ko. Kaya yung sa mga kumanta. Kaya bilang pag-alala sa birthday mo, kahit malayo kami, malapit na rin. This song is for you. It's the birthday is for you. Beautiful, celebrant. There's a birthday prayer for you, kind and true. May you grow old in this care, free from illness and despair. May your years be full of health, celebrate.
Happy birthday, Betchay. Very supportive, kind-hearted, charge nurse in RCC1. All the staff you're working with are very lucky for having a supportive charge nurse like you. Hoping you will have a blast on this celebration of yours. Again, happy birthday.
Hi Ate Ben, happy birthday. May God shower you with blessings today and always. I'm so blessed to have a friend like you. May the love and friendship you have shared with me come back to you in abundance on your special day. Love you.
Hi Ninang Beth! Happy 50th birthday sa'yo. Ayan. Alam kong halos lahat nasa iyo na kaya wala akong ibang mahihiling pa. Kundi syempre yung good health, long life, at lahat ng desires ng puso mo nawa ibigay ng Lord sa'yo. I will continuously be praying for you and for a happy family sa inyo dyan. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless! Regalo ko.
Hi, Mr. Beth. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Good health. Bye.
Hello, Betcha. Happy birthday. 50 ka na. Welcome to the golden years. Salamat sa mga gifts at sa magiging gifts. Utang mo na yung regalo ko sa'yo. Saka naman mo. Ha? Always take care of yourself. Love you so much. Parang kailan lang sa tikay ka lang nagse-celebrate ng birthday mo. Ang handa mo lagi 1 kilong spaghetti. Ngayon pa hotel-hotel ka pa. Ang bongga mo talaga, Maribeth. Happy birthday. Sana all sa hotel. Love you so much.
Hi! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mars! Wish ko sa'yo, sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay and ingat kayo palagi and God bless! Happy birthday!
Hi! Happy birthday, Ma! Medyo malungkot ako kasi 50th birthday mo pero hindi kami nakasama ng mga BFFs mo na mag-celebrate ng special day mo na ito. Pero masayang masaya ko na mabigyan ng ganitong chance na maipakita ko sa'yo kung gaano ko na-appreciate ang ating friendship. Di ba nag-start tayo as friends nung high school at doon din nasimula na tawagin ka namin ng si mama. Nagsimula yun dahil sa panunokso lang namin sa'yo, pero kahit nito na nagkaedad na tayo, nagsi-celebrate na nga tayo ng golden years natin, pero tinatawag ka pa rin namin ng mama kasi sa totoo, bagay na bagay sa'yo ang pagtawag na yan kasi you are such a caring person and a loving friend din, para sa amin. Kaya thankful ako kay Lord kasi ibinigay ka niya sa akin, nakilala kita at thankful ako kasi hanggang ngayon pinipili mo pa rin na maging kaibigan ako, maging kaibigan kami ni She, ni Mai, ni Day. At kapag umuwi ka dito sa Pilipinas, hindi ka nakakalimot lagi mong pinararamdam sa amin na special kami. Kaya thank you dahil naging napakabuti mo sa amin. At sana ang wish ko, sana i-bless ka ni Lord ng malusog na pangangatawan, malakas na pag-iisip, matatag na damdamin at sana maraming tao ang makapagpakita sa'yo kung gaano ka kabuti, maipakita namin lahat ang appreciation namin sa kabutihan mo. Kasi deserve mo lahat ng kasayahan, deserve mo lahat ng pagmamahal, deserve mo na maging masaya dahil yun nga napakabuti mo at sana makita ng mundo yun at maiparamdam din sa'yo ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo kung gaano ka-special sa puso namin. Yun lang I love you so much. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo ang araw na ito. Magpakasaya ka at sana ang buong buhay mo ay mapuno din ng kaligayahan. I love you Thank you so much.
Hi Mars! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best and stay beautiful inside and out just like me. Charot! God bless Mars!
Hello! Happy birthday, Bechay! Enjoy mo yung araw na ito. Magkita ulit tayo hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Happy birthday!
Hello! Happy birthday sa ate ng buong barangay, Ate Beth Carion. Ate, happy birthday! Ang wish ko lang for you is of course, long life, good health, more happiness, and more success to come. So thank you for treating me as one of your younger sisters, ate, and one of your kapamilya here in the Philippines. More tapatan, more dancing, more videoke to come sa pagbabalik ninyo dito sa Pilipinas. Thank you so much and God bless you. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy 50th birthday to the Beth. I wish you good health and we all love you. Thank you for everything that you gave us and you gave me specifically. Love you.
Hi Beth, happy 50th birthday and many more birthday to come. May God bless you always from here in Montreal.
Hi Beth, happy 50th birthday. Have a blessed one and enjoy your special day. From us here in Montreal, Canada, Ate Dottie.
Hi Tita Beth, happy 50th birthday. Hopefully we get to see each other soon. Take care. Bye bye.
Hi Beth. Hi.
Say bye.
Say hi Tita Beth. Happy birthday from Montreal, Canada.
Happy birthday.
See you again. Bye. Take care.
Oh, bye.
Bye. Look at our baby.
Happy birthday! Ayun na, nakakalig pa ang full dress na yan daw. Happy birthday, Maribel! Oh, ito, may nagbabati sa isa. Oh. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Oh. Happy birthday! Say happy birthday daw! Oh, happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, the Beth. I love you and Tyler loves you as well. Oh, Tyler.
Hello, Sis Beth. Happy birthday. Welcome to the club. We're 50. We're not old. We're gold. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ninang Beth! Happiest birthday! God bless you always! Enjoy your day!
Hi, Betchay. Welcome to the club. Happy 50th birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting pinsan, mabuting tao. Alam mo yan, through my ups and downs, lagi kang nandyan. Hindi ako napahiya na sa paglapit ko sa'yo. Maraming salamat. Alam mo yan, I love you, I love you, I love you. From the bottom of my heart, we love you, pati ang inaanak mo. From Natividad family, maraming salamat. At happy birthday. Maraming salamat. I love you. Mwah.
Hi, Mama Beth. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and may your birthday be an unforgettable as you are. Thank you for being a good friend. Hindi mo kami nakakalimutan kahit na malayo na yung narating mo. Lagi mo pa rin kami naaalala sa tuwing uuwi ka, and masaya kami doon na naglalaan ka ng time para sa amin kahit na sobrang busy. Enjoy your day. Maging masaya yung party mo kasi deserve mo yan. Kasi mabait kang kapatid at mabait kang kaibigan. Kaya sana sa mga susunod na birthday na darating, sana ang experience natin na mag-celebrate na magkakasama tayo. Mag-iingat ka dyan. Enjoy mo lang. And we love you. See you soon. Bye.
Hi, Mama. Happy golden birthday to you. I consider myself as one lucky girl here for having you as my friend. You know, you deserve all the best that you have now, and I wish that God would really grant the desires of your heart. You deserve it all, Mama. You're a very responsible person, responsible siblings, responsible parent, and wife to your husband. And you're really responsible in everything that you do. And I wish that one day you'll be even more happier than now. So, Mama, I wish we're there to join you in your very special celebration. But, syempre, ang layo. Pero, one day, pwede naman tayong mag-celebrate kahit na hindi birthdays, diba? As we do. So, Mama, I wish you more happiness, more love, and more travels with your family. Happy birthday again, and God be with you always. Love you, Mama. Bye.
Good morning, Qatar. Isang maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan, Beth, sa August 21. Ako'y nananalangin na sana'y palagi kayong nasa mabuting kalagayan. Ikaw, si Bong, at ang iyong mga kapatid. Inaasahan ko rin ang iyong hindi pagbabago dahil sa iyong magandang naitutulong sa ating pamilya. Muli, binabati kita ng isang masaganang kaarawan. May you have the best in life, Beth. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Beth. Happy 50th birthday. Wow, ang dami na pala nun, ha? Siguro mas maganda kung sasabihin mo pang stay beautiful, stay healthy, more blessings to come.
Happy
Happy birthday.
Beth. Okay.
Hi, Ate Beth. Happy birthday. Ate Beth, thank you for being a loving and good ate to us. I wish you all the best, good health, long life, and true happiness kasi you really deserve to be happy, ate. Thank you for being generous, for being a blessings for everybody. Kasi you're always sharing your blessings, not only with your family, but also with us. Kaya naman si Lord talaga, yung blessings, ibinabalik sa'yo. Thank you sa inyong dalawa ni Kuya Bong dahil hindi nyo kami pinapabayaan talaga. Thank you, Ate Beth, talaga. I wish you happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday, Ate Beth. Hindi naman tayo bumabata, pero maganda pa rin, kaya hindi halatang 50, Ate Beth. Happy birthday, Ate Beth. I love you, we love you, and hope to see you soon, Ate Beth. Take care! Happy birthday!
Surprise! Happy 50th birthday, Ma. Salamat sa 37 years of friendship na meron tayo na nabuo since high school yun. Dahil dati pag nagkikita-kita tayo, pinag-usapan lang natin yung precious time. Pero ngayon, ano pinag-usapan natin? Yung mga maintenance dues na tinitake natin. So, well, it shows talaga na we're getting old na. So, dahil dyan, dahil 50th birthday mo, mas mainam na enjoy mo na lang ang buhay. Huwag ka na lang masyadong papadala sa mga stress, sa problema. Si Lord bahala dyan. Ibigay natin sa lahat sa Kanya. Alam ko, hindi Kanya mapabayaan. He will guide you and comfort you. And He will give you wisdom sa lahat ng mga bagay na pinapagdaan. Naalala ko na ang tawag namin sa'yo ay Ma or Mama nung high school kasi parang nanay. Alam mo yun? Yung, kung nasan yung mga, nasan na si Lea, nasan na si Guada, yung parang kang nanay. So, in-embrace mo yun kaya nawala yung parents mo. Ikaw na yung tumayong nanay at tatay para sa mga kapatid. And I'm so dahil naging successful lahat sila dahil naging successful ginawa mo para sa pamilya. Nakakatuwa. Now it's your now. Okay. So, mag-travel ka. Tapos mag-travel. Habang mag-travel, mag-shopping. Pag nag-shopping, tawagan mo kami. Sabihin mo kung ano gusto namin. Well, hindi ka magsisisi. Hindi ka pa nagsasalita. Alam mo na kung ano yung pamilya. Well, basta gano'n. Enjoy mo lang ang buhay. Maiksi lang yan. Temporary lang ang buhay yan. Hindi ka sa lupa. So, enjoy mo with your family, your friends, and your loved ones. And so, happy 50th birthday, Ma. I miss you and I love you. Bye!
Maring Maribel, Albert 50th birthday. Happy 80th birthday. Love you, Mare. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Beth! Enjoy your day and more blessings to come!
Hi ate, happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ang ngayong birthday mo. At wish ko sana maging malusog at masaya mo yung buong pamilya. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng naitulong mo sa akin at sa aking buong pamilya. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Peace out. Happy birthday.